Hi, Kwan. Thanks for reaching out with the question. To do between a couple of numbers, um, this is generally the way you do it. It's like basically you got to be like if we had to be between 16 and 21. This is from the multiple conditions lesson. Um, you just do like greater than or equal to the lower number and less than or equal to the upper number, right? In order to be between it, you have to be those two things, right? In this case, it would include the 16 and 21. So just we could do whatever system out print here. Are you in school or something? Right? And then we could just do else. And then there would not be between there. Okay, and there's lots of different ways to do it too. I'm trying to look back at this one specifically, what is asking us. If it's between that, if it's less than, oh, say enter greater than 0, or if it's over 110, say less than 110. So another way to kind of do this one too, let's try not to give away too much of it, but this is an age one again. So we could basically do something along the lines like basically if the age is less than 0, do something else if age is too big, so it's greater than 110, do whatever else. Okay, and if we set it up this way, we're guaranteed here that the age is between 0 and 110. And the reason is if it was less than 0, it would have fell here. If it's greater than 110, it would have fell here. So if we get to the else, we're guaranteed that it must have been not been here. So it must have been greater than or equal to 0, and must have been less than or equal to 110. Right, so that would have been another way to set it up. So do it this way, or you can do it like this. Oh, sorry, that's not it. That's the or. Let's get the and one back up here for you. So there's what the and one looks like if you want to do between two ages, and then you'd have to set it up a little bit different. This isn't really the answer for chapter 3 program 5. I'm just going to let you try to make sense of this video and then do it on your own. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you need more of an explanation, just send me another email. All right, hope you're having a good Friday.